Hi, today I'm going to share baby's meal ideas. So first I took the Fairy's Rusk in orange flavor. For this meal I'll also be going to use Diva organic fruit puree. I'm using blueberry, banana, apple and yogurt flavor. Now I will take almost 1.5 rusk. These rusks are dissolvable and contain additive minerals and vitamins. Now moving toward the second step, I'm going to add 2 spoons of the fruits puree into this. Blueberry puree along with this orange rusk make a delicious combo. Now I'm going to add fennel mixed water into this. I usually make it a little runny so that he can easily eat it. So you can also keep it a little thick as well. He really liked this taste and texture and he mostly finished his whole bowl. Now let's see the second meal idea. So first I'm going to put some water and then I will take a sagudana. I'm going to take about 1 teaspoon. It is very healthy and has a great nutrition properties. So now I'm going to add a soft black date into this. I will soak both these things in water for 1 hour at least. Then I'm going to put this in small saucepan and going to cook it. First I'm going to cook it in water. I'm going to keep it cooking until it turns into transparent color. The date will also become extra soft when we will cook it on the stove. You can see after some time it will start changing its color and it become transparent. Now I'm going to add 3 ounces of milk into this. I'm using the formula milk of Musa and we're going to keep 1 or 2 boils. Now it's perfectly cooked. Now I'm going to switch it into his bowl and add 1 banana into this. The dates and banana will add the natural sweetness to this sagudana kheer, and now I'm going to hand blend this kheer so that you can easily digest or swallow it. I'm going to turn it in puree form. Now our second meal is ready. Third meal we are going to use the rice cerelac. I'm going to add about 3 scoops. Then I'm going to put the kiwi, apple and banana puree into this. This puree has little sourness, so it will balance the flavor for the baby. After adding some water, my third meal is also ready. So it's also tastes delicious. For fourth meal, I'm going to use suji. So I have take the 1 teaspoon of suji and make it a little brown. Now I'm going to add 3 ounces of milk into this suji. You should keep this in mind that your suji is roasted well and then cooked well in milk as well. We will wait for 2 or 3 boil. Then I have cut some mango and banana and then I'm going to mash it with fork. Then I will put my suji and milk in the bowl and add the fruits. Then I'm going to mix it with spoon. It's also very delicious. This one is savory dish. So first I took the baby spinach leaf and took some rice. I just soak it well in water. I put water on saucepan, put rice and then I'm going to add the baby spinach leaves into this. Then we will keep this on stove so that both the things are boiled well. After it's cooked well, I'm going to turn it into a puree, but you can see that it's quite runny, so I'm going to again cook it and make it a little thicker. Musa also enjoyed this spinach and rice puree as well. So hope you have enjoyed the meals idea. I will see you in next one. Bye.